Hello everyone. If you want to switch your Android phone time format, here's how to do that. So first of all, we are to open up our settings, of course. And there we are. After that, you're to scroll down to your general management or system on some phones. So let's open up our system tab. Here we gotta locate our date and time. After that, make sure that it's activated, whether you want to set it automatically or set automatically. I recommend it to use on an automatic because some applications may misfunction if you have your own custom set time and date set. So let's locate time format. Usually on some phones is activated as use local default, so let's turn it off. By now I have a 12-hour format, so for me it's 1:13 right now. Let's tap on the switch and now it is 13:13, quite a nice number. Basically that's it. Now it's gonna be displayed literally everywhere. We can add up some widgets, so let's press widget because widgets work with your system and you'll see them in both of those formats. Also, you can add up a double clock, so you can see two. Let's add up this one. Looks pretty nice to me. So this is your solid or this transparent. You can adjust your widgets. Basically, that's how it looks and that's how it works. If you want to switch back to your usual timings, simply go back, tap on the switch, and as you see, it's 1:14 again, and widget switched as well. So basically, they're quite automatic in that sense. Basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.